Welcome back to my channel. Before I set you guys up on my tripod right here, I just want to say I'm so excited to finally be filming another YouTube video. It's been almost a year, you guys. I've never taken this long of a break. There's a whole story behind it, but we'll get into that later. Just excited to be here and share and film another YouTube video. So without further ado, we're gonna finish getting ready. I already have on a little bit of my makeup and I curled my hair. I'm just getting ready to go out to get something to eat. It's a Saturday night. Nothing particularly special, but I guess every day is special, especially when you're finally feeling really good after a long season of just maybe not quite feeling like myself, honestly. So I don't know, should we pour a glass of wine first? Let's do that. All right, so let's toast to feeling good, feeling great, feeling confident, feeling healthy, and abundant. Salud. Cheers. Okay, let's put on a little lip. It's like a wine color. I just kind of like to blot this on. Like a stain. I like to wear it more like a stain rather than a lipstick. And then I also like to take a little and do my cheeks. The face is done, and now I have an exciting package to unbox with you guys. I've been working on my capsule wardrobe lately. I shared with you guys on Instagram that I purged my entire closet, made a big donation. And so now I'm just working on getting the pieces that I feel good in, I feel confident in, and that I can wear for a long time. And so along with that, for me, is jewelry, and jewelry that I can wear every day. I like to buy pieces that I know are going to last, that are high quality, and that I just don't take off. I don't change my jewelry very often. So I want to send a special shout out and a thank you to Luisa. They reached out to me, and when I saw their website, I was like, these are the right pieces for me personally, for my style, and they're good pieces that you'll want in your collection for a very long time. All right, so jewelry piece number one, a little close-up of the packaging. I think this pouch is just so cute. You can reuse it. And I picked out I think it's called the Ina necklace. I'll have all the specific titles and link to the exact pieces down below in the description box, but this is the perfect chain to start layering if you want to wear multiple. I just needed a simple gold chain like this, and it's so pretty. The quality is just as pictured on the website, and I love how there's like little diamond detail. The clasp has two ways to secure it, so depending on how long you want it, but it's a 16-inch. Piece number two, I have this adorable bracelet. It has these gorgeous little pearls, and like I said, I picked things that I knew would be like my signature. When I saw this, I was like, it's just so pretty, just so dainty, so me, and delicate, and perfect for every single day. Last but not least, a pair of earrings to finish off our capsule jewelry collection. Earrings, necklace, bracelet. I got these pearl hoops. They're called the medium Frida hoops, and I think that pairs so well. Did I say the name of the bracelet? I don't think I did. It's called the Hannah bracelet. So the Hannah bracelet and these are the Frida pearl hoops. I think go so well together. A lot of you see me wear my little pearl studs every day, so I just thought this was a nice way to switch things up but keep the same look that I like to wear every day. These are absolutely beautiful. There is a 2-year warranty, you guys, on all Luisa jewelry. If that doesn't give you peace of mind, I don't know what else will. I know this box may not look very impressive. It's very minimal, but there is a purpose behind that. And that is one of the reasons why I personally wanted to work with this brand and this company, and most definitely purchase from them in the future, is because of their efforts towards sustainability and reducing their carbon footprint. So on the inside of the box, it actually says looking fine with peace of mind. So if that's something that's important to you, to spend your dollars with brands and companies that are carbon neutral, reducing their footprint and things of that nature, Ana Luisa is definitely a brand to look into. And look at these little bags, you guys. They're so pretty and cute, and you can like reuse these as like a coin purse or a wallet. Absolutely love these pieces, you guys. They're so pretty. I feel so put together and also like myself, so I can wear these pieces every single day. Thank you so much to Ana Luisa for working with me on this video. Please check out the description below, you guys. They are having their 5-year anniversary birthday sale. Use the code SAVEMORE to receive 30% off. The sale is running from October 3rd to October 19th. So if you want to be twins with me and get the pieces that I purchased or something else, if you want to get a gift for someone, perfect gift for mom, sister, best friend, get in some early holiday shopping. So check that out down below. I have all the information. Leave me a comment on which piece is your favorite and what you might be getting yourself or a loved one, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
And then we will get that later. And then my mascara.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.